Good morning. Really happy to be here. My name is John. I am the CEO and co-founder of Lunewave. So I'm really here to tell you a story of how Lunewave is going to make autonomous vehicle both safe and affordable. So through our next generation automotive radar sensor. So before I sort of walk you through a few of the slides, I would want to share with you a quick video that describes our product and its application. Oh. Sorry, hopefully this will go shortly. Is the AV person can provide some support? Click. Oh, nope. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's, if the AV person, if you can provide some support, we can get it to go, then that's great. Otherwise, I'll just walk you through. I was really proud my marketing folks worked for 2 whole months to put together the animation. Anyway, so don't worry, it will be on our website in the next few weeks, so feel free to check it out. So, many folks here today, Mobility Summit, talked about accidents and whatnot. I think there's no surprises here. So every single major automaker, as you guys know it, are focusing on, improving safety through ADAS or releasing L3, L4, L5 self-driving cars in the coming years. I think the interesting thing, if you see the little picture to the right, is that a lot of them are leveraging sensors like camera and LiDAR to really help the vehicle to see the world around them. But there's a problem. Now, I understand there are a lot of very reputable startups in the LiDAR and camera space, but the challenge is that if you look at Boston, Chicago, and New York, doing really heavy, snowstorm, this is what any light spectrum-based sensors see. The problem is physics, shorter wavelengths and scattering effects. So now, on the other hand, radar traditionally does work in poor weather conditions. The challenge, though, with existing radar sensors on the market, even the best sensor on the market today, is that it simply cannot see enough in detail, which is measured in angular resolution. So that's big problem number one. And the second piece is that most of them have very limited field of view. So what that really means that you need about 6 to 9 sensors to be staggered next to each other to even cover 180 degrees. So this is where Lunewave comes in. Our team essentially have found a solution to overcome the traditional shortcomings of radar sensor. The result is better than LiDAR at a fraction of the cost, but most importantly, it works in poor weather conditions, across all weather conditions for that matter. So if you guys are interested, I don't want to make this sounding like a marketing jargon, so love to chat with you after this presentation. We can talk about the 5 or 6 KPIs the OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers really care about for sensors. So having validated Lunewave's alpha product in 2017, we're very fortunate to have signed quite a few written agreements with global OEMs and Tier 1s to purchase our sensor in 2018 and beyond. I'm actually traveling to Munich this Sunday for an entire week as we have a POC with BMW's AV team. They'll be purchasing our product this September and also we'll be working with their AV engineers to really test out our sensors on the road and also in their lab. So at the heart of the Lunewave sensor solution, you asked, what do you do that really brings that kind of performance? So at the center of our solution is a high-frequency Lunenburg antenna that no other company has been able to fabricate. It's a patented process plus some trade secret. So that hardware is what allows us to achieve quite a few of the capabilities. On top of the hardware capability, from a proprietary software standpoint, we also have features like interference avoidance, which is going to be absolutely critical on the road in the future, as frequency jamming could be an incredibly challenging problem to solve. So when you combine the hardware and software features of Lunewave product we will equip every vehicle on the road with long distance, all around vision, but most importantly, consistent performance across all weather conditions. So I apologize again, you didn't see the kick-ass video that we had prepared. Oh, there it is. Do we have a sound? That's okay.
But also everyone
That's
around
asking
you.
too much, sorry.
What if adverse weather had no effect on what you see in the world around you? What if highly granular data could give you full situational awareness, always? Introducing Lunewave. We build radar sensors unmatched in the field. We make autonomous vehicles see farther to react faster. Our best-in-class resolution makes understanding the world easy and works in all weather conditions. Lightning-fast detection means split-second decision-making. Our interference avoidance algorithm makes our radar safe and reliable. Unparalleled field of vision and complete situational awareness. At Lunewave, we make all this possible with technology that redefines the world of automotive sensors. At the core of the sensor is our proprietary Lunewave lens design, the first in the world optimized for automotive radar. Using custom 3D printing techniques, we can rapidly manufacture this lens at scale. Our custom antenna design allows for an unprecedented field of view. In doing so, we reduce the number of sensors needed on a vehicle, making the transition to autonomous vehicles cheaper and easier.
Awesome. Thank you so much for getting that working. So we have a booth out there. My email address is john@lunewave.com. We're having a very successful fundraising, but I'm interested in onboarding probably one or two more just to round out this stage. And I'm also obviously interested in talking to potential partners in manufacturing as well as customer relationship to test our sensors. So have a great morning, and thank you for your time.
Thank you, John.